this is otherwise. If you connect with this channel and this energy, please subscribe or comment if you'd like. Okay, let's see their feelings for you. I already shuffled the cards. I usually meditate on them before, so we don't spend too much time doing it. But let's see their feelings towards you. They love you. Queen of Wands, but they are pretending as if they don't care, but they really do. You see, you are the world for them, and you are very important for them. And your feelings, you also love this person a lot, but you are giving more to this situation than they are. You are, you are the one that is making it work, stretching yourself to make it work. Because you want marriage, you want stability. This person is very rational. I don't see them wanting to commit right now, but we are going to take a few more cards. I'm going to take another deck. Let's see. What do we need to know about this connection, Spirit? How should this person act to make it work? Or what is the outcome, please? Let's see. Oh, the devil. Yeah. Things are not easy, guys. Definitely. You know why? Because you guys are really doing everything. See, you guys are stretching yourself as if you had 10 hands, 10 legs, trying to do everything, all the work, Seven of Pentacles, while this person is aloof. You see, it's like let's see where this goes, is how this person thinks. And you are, no, I want to build something. I want stability. I want marriage. I want committed because I'm happy with you. I'm certain of my feelings. This person is very secretive. You don't get to know what they're thinking. You see, you, you don't know where this is heading. Ten of Wands. It's a lot of work for them. And they are thinking about it. I can see that the devil, we have the Ten of Wands again here, meaning it's hard work keeping this connection working because when one person is the one doing all the effort to make it work and the other one act as if she doesn't care. It's hard, you see. Is there gonna be a transformation, or what is the outcome? Where should people be working on to make this? What is the outcome, please? The Ace of Pentacles, an offer. Well, if there is going to be an offer, what has to die for this offer to happen? What has to die for this offer to happen, Spirit, please? The world, a new beginning, Four of Wands, Nine of Wands. You have Ten of Wands and Nine of Wands. When you're almost giving up, there is going to be a big shift and an offer. A big offer. Let me take an oracle deck. We need more answers, please, Spirit. Wow, 3 cards fell. Let me take them. Look for a sign. Get more information. Trust. What is this information about? Trust in what? Please tell us about the big shift and the information. Nine of Swords. This person has a lot of problems. What else we know? But Ace of Pentacles again. They are considering a new beginning with you, but they are having What are the problems about? What is this problem about? Is about money? Is about love? Is about indecision? What is it? Is something related to feelings, to finances, to what? Tell us about the problems of this person, please. Oh my God. This person, the Three of Cups, they really want to be happy with you, but they have a hard time seeing the opportunity. Four of Cups. They they're very um, tormented with feelings. Is someone that cannot deal with feelings. They feel uncomfortable talking about feelings, um, about commitment, about anything related to feelings. It gets in their head. They get confused. They get overwhelmed. You see, they deny things. They don't see things. They don't see the opportunity they have right in front of them. Let me take another deck. What does this person needs to do to help the other one work through their problems? What is the advice for us? We have one, Sorry. Um, Guys, you need to. It, it's being difficult for everyone, okay? For you guys and for them as well. You see. But you need to act differently from what you have been acting. If you're being patient, if you are stretching yourself to make things work, if you're putting too much of work, and if you're too available for them, you see, just change that. Don't be. Start working on yourself. Turn your back to them and look at your things, you see, at your goals. Enjoy a little bit of your life alone, of your own things. And I see this as the Ace of Wands usually take a stronger action towards something, but you already did that. You're already carrying. You are the one carrying this relationship. You see. So the King of Wands here means that the energy, the courage, the action should be towards either changing the way you behave toward this person. So, meaning this person has to take the initiative to go towards you, you see, or this action you need to change is putting work and, and passion in your own life, your own things. So this person can really see that they are not your life. You see, they they are acting indifferent because they think I already have this person in the palm of my hand. I don't need to do anything. You see, and all this love, all this um, pressure of commitment or of being together is overwhelming me. This person will only offer you something once you trust that you are the better person. You don't need to prove anything for them that you deserve, uh, you know, to be accepted or that you are good enough. You don't have to be doing all the work. You shouldn't be doing all the work. And then this person is gonna finally see what they've lost and change, make the offer. So that's what I have for you guys. Hope the reading helped. And I'll see you on the next one, okay? Thank you so much for watching and have a good one. Bye.